So let's say my wood has burned down to a coal bed and it's time to reload the stove. So the first thing I would do is open up the air control all the way, and then I would just open the door a little bit to allow the draft to pull any smoke right up the chimney so it's not going to come out the door. And then once that equalizes, I'll swing the door open slowly. And now I'm going to use my favorite tool. This is a rake. There's a little bit of air that comes in right here, just inside the door, down low, and I want to push some ash back away from that to make sure that's clear. And now I'm going to use my rake and I'm going to pull the coals forward, and I create a little bank of coals right here in the front. So when I drop my first log on, that first log is going to be right up on top of that bank of coals, but leaving a little bit of those coals visible so that when the air comes down across the glass, it's going to hit those coals and help ignite that front log and get things going nicely. So when I have everything loaded back in, I've put all the wood in that I'm going to need for my extended burn time. I'll swing the door closed, latch the door tightly, make sure my ash pan door is closed tightly, and now I'm going to watch the fire, and I want to see things get fully engaged, all the wood catch fire. Watch my temperature on the top of the stove on my thermometer. I want to reach somewhere between 400 and 600 degrees. And then I will slowly start turning this air control down. And remember, every time I'm interacting with the stove when it's hot, when there's a fire going, I'll be using my hearth gloves for safety.